All right, for your range assignment for this first week, it'll be due next Wednesday. What I need you to do is go to maps.google.com. Go ahead and type in Powell, Wyoming. Okay. You might want to go ahead and minimize that thing over there so you can have a fuller map. What you need to do is you need to pick a site somewhere around Powell, somewhere within like probably 10 minutes driving distance. You need to pick that site just based on kind of, if you know the area, then based on that. If you don't, then I can recommend somewhere out in here would be fine. Anywhere up near the airport would be fine. There are some possibilities up near Heart Mountain, if you know where that is. That's in this area. It's a little bit of a far drive, but that's a possibility. Another place might be out here on Badger Basin Highway. That would be a possibility. Another possibility would be in this area here. So choosing from those areas, go ahead and start to zoom in. For instance, I'll zoom in. I'll look at the satellite view to kind of gauge where I am. This is the road that goes north of town, out of Powell, up onto what we call the bench, Polecat Bench here. A lot of this area over here is Bureau of Land Management. As you move on up in here, that's more private-owned land or oil company-owned land. So what we can do is we can just start to zoom in. This little road has pretty good access and it's open. So for instance, if I wanted to pick a site along this road, pick one right in here, kind of at the junction of these two roads out in here. Okay. So I'll zoom in as close as it'll let me. Okay. Once you get too close, it says we're sorry, but you can't go that close. And kind of center it where you want it. Okay. Once you get it centered where you want it, then you want to click on the link, okay, and then copy this, and new application, or sorry, a new window that you can just type. You can just paste this into, okay, and then you need to print that out. Okay, so go ahead and print this sheet out. Okay, the important numbers I'll get from this. So I click print and it would print it out. The important numbers I would get from this are these numbers right here. This gives me actually the location of your point. So, so that's kind of what I need from that. You don't have to save that. So print that out. That's good. Okay. The next thing you need to do is kind of back up a little bit. And then I need you to print out just a rough idea of where this area is. So once you get it zoomed out, you can hit print. You can also, let's see here, zoom out a little bit further so I get some more roads. So I know that I'm right in there. I'm going to hit print. Okay. And it's going to show me roughly where I am. So I would be right here. Never mind, don't do that. So keep that other thing printed out. And then what you'll do is you'll print this out. Once you print this out, you'll want to roughly circle the area that you were looking at putting your transect on. So two things I need printed out are the link from the highly zoomed in area, and then once you zoom back out, and then you can print from that backed out view. Okay, that's what I need from you for next week.